Hello, everyone. Good evening to all of you. I would like to share my Christmas tree for this year, December 2024, and I would like to show how I make my Christmas tree for this year. Merry Christmas to all of you, and I would like to greet my friends living in Italy for Buon Natale a tutti voi, and my friends living in Germany, Frohe Weihnachten, Frohe Weihnachten. And in my Filipino language, maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat, mga kababayan ko. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat.